Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, وَقَدْ نَزَّلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الْكِتَابِ أَنْ إِذَا سَمِعْتُمْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ يُكْفَرُ بِهَا وَيُسْتَهْزَأُ بِهَا فَلَا تَقْعُدُوا مَعَهُمْ حَتَّى يَخُوضُوا فِي حَدِيثٍ غَيْرِهِ إِنَّكُمْ إِذًا مِثْلُهُمْ إن الله جامع المنافقين والكافرين في جهنم جميعا. Translation: And already he has revealed this to you in his book, that when you hear the revealed verses of Allah are being denied and ridiculed, then you must not sit with them until they are engaged in other talks. Otherwise you would indeed become like them. Surely Allah will gather hypocrites and disbelievers into hell, Jahannam, all together. This topic had already been revealed in Surah An-Nisa, which is the Makki surah at the time when this ayah was revealed. The disbelievers and the polytheists used to make fun of the Quranic ayah, and they used to discuss those in their gatherings just to ridicule the ayahs, and they used to make derogatory comments about the ayahs of Quran. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Muslims that whenever it happens, they must leave the polytheist and disbeliever until they leave that discussion and they start doing something else. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala repeated this topic which came in Surah An-Nisa before here in Surah An-Nisa. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding Muslims that this commandment had already been given to you, that whenever you hear that there is disbelief and ridicule of the ayahs of Quran, and there are people over there, and when you are sitting with them, you must leave them, otherwise you will become like them. And if you keep sitting with them and you start sharing their ideas, then you will have problem with your belief and you will become a non-believer. And even if you don't do that, you just sit there listening, those derogatory comments are sin and you will be involved in that sin. Some scholars have derived from this ayah that sitting with the people who are the criminals and bad people is haram and one must not do that. Some also derived that those people who are involved in the works of disbelief of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, one must leave them. Only showing their disliking by the facial expression is not enough. If somebody is talking against Islam and against Quran and somebody go there to answer them and to give them the evidence against their comments, then it is allowed, because this is in the Sharia of Islam that the scholars should get engaged in the discussion with non-believers to eliminate any doubts and to clarify the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But many people who are sitting in such gatherings don't have the knowledge or don't have the courage, and they listen to things against Islam and against Quran and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but they don't leave, which is wrong. They must leave those gatherings. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that Allah will gather hypocrites and disbeliever into the hell Jahannam all together. So Muslims must stay with the believers and must not stay with non-believers who will not be with them in the hereafter. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.